Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at a new disease threat developing in South Sudan following a long period of flooding in the country. The World Health Organization is investigating a potential new fatal disease following an outbreak in the town of Fangak in Jonglei State. Initial tests have been unable to confirm the disease, although it has confirmed it is not an outbreak of cholera. The risk of disease spread has been increased following a long period of flooding in the north of South Sudan. In Unity State, which borders Junlei State, flooding has increased the spread of diseases such as malaria. Floods in the north of the country have cut off supply routes between communities. In Fangak, scientists have had to travel by helicopter as roads are unsafe for travel. Malnutrition is widespread, with crops destroyed and animals diseased or poisoned by contaminated water. Residents have been displaced by the floods, with homes underwater, with most citizens reliant on international aid. Authorities are monitoring the situation as it develops. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.